Hi guys, this is Ani Miriala. I have lot of experience in the skincare industry. I also teach and help getting the licenses from other country to here, like transferring. And I teach all the technology, like technology skills and also natural, organic and chemical free. So even including the tattoo, skincare, facials, waxing, anything like waxing. I know they teach in the schools, but my technique is like how to do with more comfort and less pain. Even the facials, my product facials are like completely chemical free and they are organic and they are very natural and people love it. They feel like the clients feel very high, like nice about themselves because they're getting natural ones, no chemicals involved, and also they feel extremely relaxed and also floating in the air because of the herbs. It helps. So today's my topic is what is the difference between cosmetologist and esthetician? You might be wondering, most of the people knows about it. No, not a lot of people, they don't know, especially who came from other countries. They don't know the difference between cosmetologist and esthetician because a lot of people whom I know who called me in the past, they all joined in the school as a cosmetologist, but they required esthetician because they do eyebrow threading and waxing and facials. They don't do anything other than these three things, meaning tinting, like that. So they all joined in the cosmetology, and now they can do advanced esthetician treatments because cosmetologists cannot do advanced esthetician treatments because they are not full-fledged esthetician. So I want you guys to bring that awareness instead of going to the school and spending $20,000 or $15,000 so as a cosmetologist, and which you don't want to practice haircuts. So haircuts, hair colors and tinting, all these comes under the cosmetologist, not under the esthetician license. So if you want to become an esthetician, join like a skincare person, join in an esthetician course, not in the cosmetology course. Because as an esthetician, you can do a lot of advanced treatments like like derma planning and also some of the facelifts, a lot of other treatments which you can do as a esthetician, not as a cosmetologist. There is a lot of restriction as a cosmetologist practicing as an esthetician. I know they do say, oh, you can do all the esthetician stuff. If you go as a cosmetologist, you can also do haircuts, hair colors, all that. But if you're not using that, you're wasting your money, you're wasting your time. And also as an esthetician, you can't do full-blown work. You can't even work under in the dermatologist office as an esthetician because the cosmetologist esthetician course is very less, very few hours. So those hours does not cover as an advanced esthetician. So esthetician comes under facials. Esthetician course means comes under facials, waxing, tinting, eyebrow threading, anything hair removal, temporary hair removal, and the facial massage, back facial, and hands and foot massage, like even facelifts, non-surgical facelifts. And also you can do nowadays derma planning and microneedling, and there are so many. Microneedling, there's a controversy. You need a tattoo license along with the esthetician license to do the microneedling, and even the tag removal, and also the some of the people we are also doing those dots, like it's kind of ultraviolet races. We do the facelift with that one. I say it's smooth touch. That one is also an advanced treatment. Either you can work in the dermatology office or by yourself as an esthetician. If you have minimum 5 years of experience, you're allowed to do that. So these are all comes under esthetician, not under cosmetology. Some of them you can do as a cosmetologist, facials, waxing, the basic stuff, but tinting, the threading, but not advanced treatments. So I would highly recommend everyone who wants to do the threading, facials, waxing, those like skincare, not going into the hair. please go and ask for esthetician license. And if you're coming from other country, if you already did the course, I can just transfer your license. You don't need to go to school. But I also give a training to the estheticians who came from other countries, that the difference between the other country and here, what you need to learn. Means the facials are a little different in my country and here in the US. And even the skincare treatments, some of them are hygienically, whether it comes under hygiene or facials or treatments, they're a little bit different because of the skin nature and the texture, especially the American skin or Indian skin or Asian skin, Spanish skin. Those skins, they all has to be treated different. Being I'm a foreigner, I learned a lot more on the different types of skins, how to treat. Is because most of the Americans, they only learn about Americans doing how to do it, and they only do the testing on the white skin. But being we have very thick melanin, lot of melanin, so we have to be more careful when it comes to the skin treatments. So I'm more advanced trained in those things, and also I studied a lot on those. So I teach them the difference between that and this, how to also prepare the client differently, and also treat differently, and how to do the counseling, consultation, and how to sell the products to them to suitable to their skins as a home care. So all these things I teach if you want to learn. Even consultation I teach, selling the products I teach, the difference between other country and here I teach, what you need to do different, and also how to make the client extremely happy in any facial or any treatment. And also the waxing, how to do it, with the less painful and more comfort level where the client comes back to you. So all these treatment, all these techniques, because when the client comes to you, if that client comes back to our spa again, the second time, third time, fourth time, so she becomes a lifetime client to you. So you don't need to advertise for the new clients all the time. So always focus and remember, you don't need to do the advertisements all the time. The client who comes to you, walks in the first time, she has to come back to you second, third, and rest of her life. When you provide those treatments and the skills, of course, yes, you would do wonderful job at your place. So again, guys, this is Ani Miriala. If you have more questions about the difference or before joining in a school, because most of the schools, they are saying you to join in cosmetology because they get the most money. That is unfair. That's not truth, but that's what they are doing. That's what I heard most of the schools. I'm not going every single school, but I heard from people that they joined in cosmetology because when they went for consultation for eyebrow threading, they advised them to join in the cosmetology, not in the esthetician skincare course. So that is the reason why I'm teaching this. That's the reason why I have this topic. So you can ping me, you can ask a question, or you can call on my cell phone for any further questions. Okay, you can also do WhatsApp. I love WhatsApp because it's easier. When I have time, I can answer. Okay, guys, see you next time for another subject.